Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. This equation equals to number 0, so we have only complementary solution. So I will put about yc equals to e to the power of lambda s. So if I do first derivative of this one, we have lambda multiplied by e to the power of lambda s. Because if I do first derivative of this one, we keep about e to the power of lambda s. Later that we do first derivative of lambda s, you got about lambda. On the question we have number 3, number 4 and number 5. That means we need to do third derivative of this one and fourth derivative of this one. And fifth derivative of this one. So we will have like this. Now I will put this one gone here, this one gone here, and this one gone here. And now we have the final answer. Now we can do about factorization by e to the power of lambda s. Now we need to find the solutions of this one. About lambda to the power of 3, we can do about factorization. So in this situation, about lambda to the power of 3, we have 3 solutions of lambda, and lambda equals to number 0. So we can put like this. And this one we have about lambda equals to 1 over 2 plus the square root of 15 over 2, and we have I. And the next one, lambda equals to 1 over 2 minus the square root of number 15 over 2, and we have I. So now we have the final answer. So y equals to c number 1. That is about the constant number 1, e to the power of lambda s. We change lambda equals to number 0. So e to the power of 0, you got about number 1. So we just put into c number 1. C number 2, because the solution is about lambda equals to number 0, is same for the first one, so we need to put about s, e to the power of 0s, and this one you got about number 1. And C number 2, sorry, C number 3, s square e to the power of 0s, and this one you got about number 1, so we just put like this. The next one, C number 4, that is about e to the power of this one. And C number 5, that is about this one in here. So about this one, we can put into another way. That is about e to the power of 1 over 2 s multiplied by sine of this one with s, and later that C number 5, e to the power of 1 over 2 s, and we have cosine of this one with s. So here is about the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.